Okay, over here, this car, this is a Nissan, I believe it's a 1998 Maximum. It's been sitting for quite a while, and the battery is completely dead. Just turned the key and got absolutely nothing, not any lights. That horn was not from this car. As you can see, I'm standing right here. Somebody else is working on the car in the back of the shop. So we have hooked this up here. Now I'm going to turn it on and see what we get. Okay, there's another thing I don't like. You have to, it's easier to turn this on first before you plug this in, because this switch is right under that little rubber door flap. That makes it difficult, not difficult, but it's inconvenient to turn it on. So I would suggest you turn it on first and then plug this in and then hook it up. All right, now we're at 100%. Let's see what we got. That light just went off. Okay, the unit is off. The battery is completely dead as I tested before. So let's hit the boost button. Green light came on. Works perfectly. Well, like I said, this battery was completely dead. Turned the key and nothing lit up on the dashboard. So first crank, the baby started up. This is not mine, but I'm definitely gonna buy one like this. I don't know if you could hear the tap in the engine. That should tell you how long this car been sitting, because it took time for the oil to pump through and get up to the lifter. And that's what that little tapping rattle in the engine was. Okay, now on this you have two other lights. All right. This is the boost button. One light will show you the green light would let you know whether you have some charge in there or not, which I think now you have a little charge. And this other light, if you have, this one right here, if you have the cable hooked up wrong, then that will indicate to you. This is telling you that the cable is hooked up correctly. This over here, if that lights up, then you have the cable on the wrong terminal. So let's turn this boy off.